Hey there, it's Esther from Deloris Tech, and I've got some wisdom to share from none other than the Ghanaian showbiz mogul and businesswoman extraordinaire. Deloris took to her social media pages to drop some truth bombs for all the ladies out there. Let's break down her 2024 commandments for women. First up, Deloris advises women not to rush into moving out of their parents' house. She emphasizes the importance of independence but also the value of family support. And here's a big one: living your best life as a single woman. Deloris encourages women to embrace their independence and not wait around for a partner to start living. Avoiding alcohol and drugs is crucial, folks. Deloris reminds us that these substances can have serious consequences and urges women to prioritize their health and well-being. From dressing well to not using sex as proof of love, Deloris's advice is both practical and empowering. She emphasizes the importance of self-worth and personal growth. There you have it, folks. Deloris's 10 Commandments for Women in 2024. Wise words to live by from a true icon. Until next time, stay tuned to Deloris Tech for more insightful updates.